spring storm coming. It's May 14th, 2022. Wind's starting to pick up here in Ogdensburg, New York. Birds. Birds are going crazy. Check the top of the radar. It said we are supposed to get thunder and lightning. Unfortunately, moon, so we're going to be cooling down. Yeah, they're still working on that building, unfortunately. I had to fire. Well, the leaves have grown real quick. We need the rain. It's Canada. I'm starting to get some boats in the boat arena. This is nice to see. Pond stars. I think it's starting to, oh no, maybe that's not rain. I don't know, let me see. No, I'm feeling a little rain. But if there is, I know it's coming from that direction. Well, I wasn't complaining. It was like in the 80s today. Wind feels good, but I'd rather have it hot. It seems like a tree always blooms first, gets the biggest first. Yeah, now you can see like the dirt going across the parking lot. Well, if it gets pretty good later, I'll turn the video back on over and out until later. Hopefully some lightning.